Hello, welcome to the next video in the Gatekeeper video series. My name is Aaron Bieber. Today I'm going to be showing you how to invite users that are in the local backend. The local backend is a new feature in 5.0.2, so look out for it. All right, so how do we get going? First things first, we got to get to the Gatekeeper page, which is under Security and Gatekeeper. And we select our portal, which is this guy right here, local dir. If you want to know how to make these portals, there's another video that you can check out. So from here, though, we select manage users. And here would be a list of users that we have. As you can see, there's none. So we need to go here and invite them. So click invite. Here's our user that we created. And we can go ahead and prepare the invites. This is a confirmation. If you missed one or needed to add more, you can go back here and add them. Anyway, once we've confirmed, we can hit invite users. And at this point, you're ready to send the invites. And we have another video on that, so check it out. Thanks for watching.